What is up, guys? Let's get right into this. This is not market open yet, so we're giving it a shot. I'm hoping it works. Oh wait, this is... Oh, that's the actual account. No! Alright, here we go. Let's see. Are people trying to trade down back to these lows? I believe so. No signal bar though. I think it's just a downtrend, hopefully. Or they could be trying to correct this entire thing. Corrections. Oh, well, the buy was correct. I think it might be an uptrend. I think the best way for us to be successful is going to be being able to figure out what the majority of the market is doing. I was looking at some screenshots of previous trades from my phone, and I have about 100 of them of actual live trades we've taken. And I was looking at like 5 or 6 of them. I should probably take a look at more, but usually the winning trades or the direction or the correct trade is the one where it goes against the majority of where the majority is trading to, or what we would assume the majority is trading to. So I think having that mentality can really help instead of counting how many times a certain level has been tested. So hopefully that's the unlock. Just figure out where the majority is trading to. I wouldn't say in the long direction. Very much so. Alright, we're getting this red bar here in the minute chart. Could people be trading against? I think people are still going long. I think that's a clear double test here. I'm just gonna go against the majority. Hopefully it's not 20%. So all that we can really do is hope. Man, these bars are massive. We really haven't been able to do any minimization. I don't think we will be able to for a long time either, because quarter 4 or Q4 is going to be starting soon, and that's going to really make the market super volatile. NT PP. Stop down, just slap this order on. I think it's still an uptrend. I think that red bar really got people worried and they scalped out and stuff. This market is moving. Good minimization. So yeah, I think that red bar right here kind of threw. I think we got to read it bar by bar on the minute chart, because at that point people get worried, especially with a big push down like that. All those longs probably took a scalp because they're up positive here. So depending where they took that order, probably hopefully in the lows, and then they scalped out here and got some profit. So I think that red bar, and I remember that being our most successful day trading pattern, was reading bar by bar, from what I recall. I don't know why we stopped that though. Like, we would read each bar. A single bar could change the whole game, and in that case it looked like it did. Now we have that second massive bar on the downside. I think majority is going to try to push this market on the downside. Could make this a downtrend here. I think that's what happened with some of the trades that I got confused about a little while back. So this is very much against our normal strat. If this works out, then I think we got the unlock, boys. At least for today. Looks like that's 15. Yeah. Alright, we have a swing low first entry, sort of second entry. I like it if it's triggers here. If it doesn't trigger here, may not like it as much. Okay. Come on. I think this, if we push a nice red bar here, I think it'll be a good, very good thing for us here. That's going to make everybody worried and exit their positions. Let's do a little bit of minimization, question mark. Yeah. More minimization, question mark. So this is completely against our strat almost, because this is definitely an uptrend here. Because you have 3 tests, people trying to trade back to the highs, but I think those red bars really scared people. Hopefully that green bar didn't make people think we were going back to the highs, and I think we actually might be right here. Should be correct psychologically, unless this is just a 20%er. That third red bar on the downside should make people really worried and start exiting their positions or taking sell orders and stuff like that. If this turns into a green bar, we're definitely dropping our stop right here, because that would be a very good sign. Close is a green, close is a green. Okay. Oh, good thing we minimized, because sheesh. So So it looks like that was just an uptrend. I think a little bit too much psychology there. I think we have the right idea. Because this could just skyrocket off here. Let's keep going for that. I liked it. Give us makes a lot more sense than just sticking to patterns. So it looks like at that green bar here gave a lot of people some opportunities to buy, thinking we were going to go in the long direction, and those people were trapped essentially once that red bar showed up. So we just basically joined them. So I think that green bar kind of threw everything off. But for the majority, that wasn't too bad. This could just most definitely be a 20%er here, but good minimization on that trade. Swing low for century. It's a terrible setup, but if it triggers here, not too bad. I think majority might be going for the down trend here. I just don't want to get trapped with all the buys. I don't think we will, because there's not a low there. Or the low is way down over here for people to get stopped out. So I don't think they're going to be trapped. This is probably one of the worst setups we've ever taken. But still the same winning percentage, technically, statistically. Bad setup, good setups. Yeah, because the shorts are trapped here. Nice. Good trade. Wow, even with a terrible setup like that, understanding the psychology of it. Because we couldn't make a higher push there, which led people to believe lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high must be going down this direction. So, good trade. Also, swing low for century. We could take another setup here. I like it. It's a nice two-legged move. This could burn us. I think people might be going long now, though. Well, let's go for a sell. I guess it's just the vibe I'm getting. I don't know. Maybe that green bar is the vibe I'm getting. That nice full green bar made a lot of people confident to go long. Yeah, not much minimization unless we get a nice good push here. I would want it more down here. Okay, yeah, around there. Should we take the full stop out? Alright. Good psychology. This bar by bar thing is really working for us right now. Do we dare do it to swing high for a century? Let's do it. I think there's gonna be a lot of longs here. Because I think they're finding failure to go short. I think they're finding their opportunity. They see the higher highs. And I think there's gonna be a lot of buys here because they're worried that market's gonna keep pushing up here. Hope this is right, so unless we're just a little bit too early. The buy's incorrect as of right now. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna stay out of this ugly setup. Wow. Even though we're up $53, we're only up one trade, which is absolutely insane. Usually when you have like one loss, you try to do one win to make up for that. One loss and one win to make up for that. So far we have 3 losses and 4 wins. So technically we should only be up 24 bucks. But our profit loss thing brings us up to 53 bucks, which is insane. Technically we should be going for 2 more trades here. We might to make up fees and stuff. Wow, I can't believe we found something that's working. Alright, bar by bar, we are really using the miniature like significantly. But we're not trading on it because this gives us a lot more setups and clarity. And it just looks nicer. Double bottom, first entry. This one bar, if it closes like this, we can imagine a lot of people going short here. But if it does just push down and show a feeler to push down to the downside, a lot of people could be going long in hopes that after the breakout of this and the failed attempt to push down lower here, this could be a good, very good sign to go long here for a lot of people, which could lead to the overall uptrend. I'm however worried that there might be a lot of people trying to go short here. Take it bar by bar. Let's not get so secluded to one idea. I think this might actually be an uptrend. I just realized we're barely doing our strat here. It's a double top though. It's a full step out here. Swing high first entry as well. I think I want to scalp out here. Double top showing moves to the downside, or a potential sign of downside here. The minute chart showing like, hey, it's a higher low, go long. We just need these people who went long here to get stopped out. We'll have their stops right here. We may not be able to though. Could minimize. If we push really close to it, we'll go ahead and minimize. Yeah, this should be good. We should be okay. Because now it's really showing signs of an uptrend here. Especially with that higher low. I think a lot of people might be going long here. So if we just keep this stop right here, I think we should be okay, hypothetically. Because this nice green bar, I think, is really helping people decide. However, our strat says there's a double top, which should say an overall downtrend there. But our strat has failed us for a very long time. Let's go for the minimization. Come on, you could push. Could have took a second order there. Ooh, just could not make it. At least we got some minimization here. NT, yeah. Looks like that red bar or something led people to believe they were going to keep going down. And I guess that resistance, yeah, it was the resistance. So yeah, that double top turned into a lot of more resistance than we would have liked. But not bad. Not bad at all. Good trades. Good trades. Looks like that's going to be a 20%er. For sure. Looks like we were right about it. We just needed them to stop. Oh, but if we were able to leave our stop at the very high, that would have been great, but we couldn't. Our stop is right here. 8.5 tick points. Alright, now we got a lot of resistance here, which could make people believe we're pushing down to the downside. We continue. I think the key thing right now is being able to transfer our position to give both sides the benefit of the doubt, saying, okay, there could be a lot of longs here because it's showing signs of weakness on the downside, but it very much could be a downtrend because there's a lot of resistance. And I think thinking kindly on both sides is what's really gonna help us, because I think if we just get so secluded down to one side, oh yeah, look, it's definitely gonna be an uptrend because blah blah blah, definitely gonna be a downtrend because blah blah blah, instead of considering both ideas and taking into consideration what is best, I think that will help us. Okay, I think this might actually be a downtrend. It's just finding way too much resistance here. Just a little bit too much. And all these longs probably exited because they see this like double top here, this resistance here, and that we've been on a downtrend all day. I'm hoping that they also see it. So that way we can find some profit here. Okay, we're in the trade. Swing low first entry as well. Take a position there. Oh, is it not enough? I don't think it was enough. I think a lot of people were also going long there, trying to trade that breakout. That's unfortunate. NT. Alright, swing low first entry. Maybe we can still get in this guy. I think it's still an overall uptrend. Wait, did I say overall uptrend? No, I said downtrend, right? I think after that breakout, I think people might be trying to go for the long here because we broke past it just a little bit. Oh, god damn it. Alright, we're getting a little too cocky. I think a lot of people are still going long here. IMO. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It's so close to our scalp. Alright, yeah, that would have been the scalp. I guess that last one was a little bit too unclear. It could have been both sides, and after that breakout, that kind of threw everything off. We just couldn't push enough. I probably should have scalped out there. Just based on the fact that there was a lot of longs and shorts. And yeah. Swing high first entry, let's take a position. I think it's gonna be a downtrend. At least people think we're gonna touch that low again. Hopefully we can do some minimization here. Get a better entry of some sort. Okay. Alright, it might be a little bit different story now. I think I was recording backwards. It lines up with our strat as well, with this overall downtrend. Plus, I think a lot of people are just trying to trade back down to these lows, so good trade. I think we're break even now, right? Technically, even though we're up $26, we still have to make 3 trades. I think we're only actually up 1 trade. Yeah, we're only up 1 trade and we're up $46, which is kind of insane. Oh no, wait, I think we are break even. Win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, win, loss, loss, win. Yeah, we're even. Yeah, 10 trades, 5 and 5. We would be up if we didn't take the trade in the beginning. Okay, we're getting some push to the upside. It's seeming very even right now. Which is why it's consolidating, of course. Needed to push out. Okay, so bad setup. Technically, it was a swing high first entry, second entry, but I just didn't like the setup. We could take it, but it's just a little confusing right now because very much both sides are winning. But it looks like it might be an uptrend. Could go for a sell here. Oh, looks like a little bit too many people were going short there. Wow, good for you. Swing high first entry, sort of. I think it's actually a lot of longs coming here. We could possibly go for the sell on the other end. I would like this one to fulfill instead though. It is a swing low first entry. Where you going? Where you going? Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come back, come back, come back. Minimization. Let's try one more time. Oh. Looks like all these shorts are just trapped up here now. And we are joining them. Damn it. NT. One short on the swing high first entry. There's also another. No, that was a swing low first entry, second entry. NT. Now it's showing a lot of resistance here. And it's going to create the downtrend. A lot of people are going to start selling too and get stepped out with them. Hopefully, the minute chart is kind of the foundation of what they're using because that looks like it should be going in a long direction, which could be very good for us. Go ahead and minimize. Touch bit more, might. Should we scalp out here? We don't scalp out. We whelp out. No, we always leave our profit where it is. It's our rule. It's the only rule we have. Maybe that's not why we're successful then. But if we get it here, it's a good rule to have. I don't know why I'm talking like this. Oh, Minty. Okay. I think we're actually down a trade. So yeah, I think we're down a trade. Oh wait, no, we're even still. Swing low first entry. I think it's gonna be a downtrend. Yeah, each bar, I mean, these red bars really have a lot more strength than these green bars trying to work its way up. It just looks like kind of a correction that's happening here. Just like another opportunity for people to go short here. Because it's not really showing signs that it's going to correct this entire spike down and we'll come back to the highs. And or now it could be. I think it's still showing signs of weakness. It can't break above that high. I think people are going short here. People going long. People going long, I feel like they would have to be crossing their fingers a lot more than the people going short. So let's find out together, I guess. Also makes sense from our strats. We just need a really good trigger. Like for it to give a nice good push. There it is. More. And we were correct on the buy at least. Nice. They're swing low, first entry. Still showing signs of a strong downtrend. This double bottom could be really helping a lot of people to decide to go long here. Yeah, and I think that might be it. Because now this green bar is making all these people who went short off of this red bar get trapped. I'm really worried. But if it breaks above there, it might be a pretty different story. We'll see. I think the sell is actually the correct thing to do. Because just that one green bar give a lot of people hope to go long and to try and trap some peaks. Alright, they're gonna stop. I'll do one tick more. Will it be enough to get back to this side? I think so. I think there's a lot of pressure to try and stop out the people who went short here. And I think those buys might be getting trapped. I'm also writing on the idea that people are correcting this entire thing. So that's why we are doing this thing like this. Once again, we're going to leave our stop where it is, our profit where it is, and that might burn us. But hey, it's okay. Boom, boom, pay. And that's it for today. Let's go. Peace out.